Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate a feature of the background workflow engine, Territory Access Engine. So to find this feature, you'll go to the Account tab, you'll click Setup, and then you'll open up the Background Workflow Engine box and the Territory Access Engine link right here. And you'll see you can set rules for organizations, contacts, or for opportunities. In this case, we're going to create a new rule for an organization. And what I want to do here is I want to assign a particular state to a sales rep. So I'm going to name my rule, and this is various criteria that I can select. In this case, I'm going to look for my state code, and I'm going to say contains New York. You can also use commas in here, so if I wanted to select New Jersey, New Hampshire, and a few others, I can add those to the state filter. Now each additional criteria would be an AND selection. And these are operators, so equals would be exactly equals, contains would be contains any of these values, and the greater than or less than are dates. Now an earlier date would be less than a greater date, so January 1st is less than November 1st. So these are additional rules. So if the state contains one of these and it has somebody on the sales team, then do one of the following. So I'm going to, in my case, I don't need any of these other rules, so I'm just going to say then add sample user to the team with the role of area manager, and I'm going to add them as the team lead. Now when you're setting the priority of the rules, the lower priority rules will run first. So if you have a rule that makes a certain assignment and then you have another rule that could change that assignment, you would need to check this exclusive of lower priority rules. So what this means is that if a record gets updated by a particular rule, it will not run against the other rules unless you have this box checked.